Hey guys, it's Tool Tuesday. And on Tuesdays, even though it's Thursday, I'm gonna show you tools that I use all the time. And this Milwaukee metal saw changed my life. It sounds dramatic, but if you can cut plate fast and slick and you don't have to hit it with a grinder or anything, that's life-changing because it makes it easy. I'm into anything that makes it easier. Now, there's a few things you need to know before you get started, because I've already made all the mistakes and I'm gonna try to fill you in. This thing has a carbide blade and it's in really good shape, and I have cut a lot of plate with it. I bet I've cut up probably half of a sheet into these sizes with this one blade. But here's the tip, and this is not in the directions because I don't know why it's not in the directions, but it makes my blade last so much longer. And that tip is push on it a little bit harder than you would think. At first I was going real slow and trying to baby it. I think it was getting the little carbide tips hot and then they would break. Because if I push on it a little bit uncomfortable, I mean, it's vibrating and it's eating. It cuts it cooler and I get twice the life out of the blade. So I'm gonna fire this baby up. I'm gonna cut one more of these for you. And then I'm gonna run over here and I'm gonna cut this angle iron. So I'll show you that, and I would love to show you some 2-inch pipe. It'll rip through 2-inch pipe like a 2x4. It's incredible. So I'm gonna fire this mug up and we'll run it. Super fast. Now, before I cut the angle iron, I'll show you what not to do. Hey, I want to interrupt Tool Tuesday to thank you guys. It turns out I have the fastest growing welding channel on the interwebs. On YouTube, it's crazy, and it's all thanks to you, and I felt like I should tell you that. So I really appreciate you hitting the like button, subscribing, and the comments and the well thought out questions are greatly appreciated. Let's keep going. Don't get your jack standing in the way, because it'll saw right through it. Alright, now let's cut angle iron. When you're cutting this angle iron, it likes to cut into the edge. It doesn't really like to plunge cut. So when I get to the next part of the angle, I'm going to tilt it up and kind of go down. Alright, so you saw how awesome it was. You noticed it has a lot of torque. It's got a worm gear in there that creates a tremendous amount of torque to the blade. Now, it's important to hang on to this baby. Hang on to it with 2 hands. Because I had this thing kick back on me one time and I wasn't hanging on to it good, and it like to took my arm off. It only happened once, and I've been using this thing for years. But when it does happen, you won't forget it. Y'all have an awesome, awesome day. Later.